With light in your heart, fear no long road, embracing life's gentle strength. All right, lovely people, put the kettle on. Settle into that well-worn armchair. And let's talk about something real. Life? It can feel like a winding country lane on a foggy day. Uncertain, a bit daunting. But here, stay truth I want you to hold close. If you carry light in your heart, no road is too long to walk. And that light, it's not some flashy spotlight. It's stay quiet, gentle strength you already carry within you. The quiet light we carry, we retold strength looks like roaring fires, bold, loud, impossible to ignore, but real resilience. It's soften the soft glow of a lamp in a window. It's the gentle strength that does NT. Shout but steadies, the kind that says, I'll keep going. And I'll do it with kindness. Think about the past few years, between time zones, cultures, and the chaos of modern life. UV weathered storms, maybe UV felt, stretched thin caught between British reserve and American boldness, between stiff upper lip and share your truth, but through it all, that inner light, your compassion, patience, quiet hope guided you. That's your superpower. Why gentle strength is unbreakable. Gentleness isn't fragile, it's fortitude in soft packaging. Consider, it takes grit to stay tender. In a world that rewards cynicism, choosing kindness is an act of courage. It's rolling your sleeves up and choosing empathy when it'd be easier to look away. It's anchored, not passive. Like an oak with deep roots, gentle strength be and ease, but does NT break. It's the friend who says, I hear you, without trying to fix everything. Because sometimes presence is the answer. It bridges worlds. For those of you with feet in both the UK and US, you know gentleness is your shared language. It's the humor that diffuses tension. Bit damp today, isn't it? The small talk that becomes real connection. How's your mom's garden doing? Your light in action, everyday magic. This isn't about grand gestures. It's the small, luminous moments. The you alright? That means more. When a Brit asks this, they really asking. When an American says, tell me everything, they mean it. That space you create for others? That's your light shining. The comfort in rituals. The first sip of tea in a favorite mug. The smell of coffee brewing on a rainy Brooklyn morning. These tiny anchors ground us. They ray gentle rebellion against the rush, holding space for hard days, when work stresses pile up or family feels far away. Your gentle heart says, it's okay to not be okay, you don't T-bull. Those feelings you offer a quiet harbor. When the road gets rocky, life throws curveballs, work deadlines loom, time zones make family calls tricky. The news feels heavy. This is when we forget our light. We think we need to be tougher, louder, harder. But here's the secret. Gentleness is grit in disguise. It's setting boundaries kindly. I can't take this on right now, but I'm rooting for you. It's letting yourself crumble sometimes, knowing tenderness is repair. It's the courage to say this hurts, instead of soldiering on alone, keeping your light bright. Even the steadiest flame needs tending. Here show, protect your peace. Gentle souls absorb energy. Say no to what drains you, yes to walks, old films, or that mystery novel calling your name. Embrace bothness. You ray not just British or American, you ray a brilliant blend. Honor your love for Sunday roasts and Thanksgiving leftovers. It's all part of your glow. Look for kindred sparks. Find your tribe, people who get your humor, your heart, your need for both apricot and bold dreams. Notice the light in others. Tell your friend, I say how a hundle that you are missing. Gratitude magnifies gentleness. The journey ahead, that long road, it's not about racing to the finish. It's about walking with your heart lit up. Every time you text a friend just to say, thinking of you, lend patience when someone's running late. Choose understanding over judgment. You ray not just enduring the journey, you ray lighting the path for others too. Final thought, your light matters. So my friends, whether you ray sipping Earl Grey in London or iced coffee in Chicago, never underestimate your quiet power. The world needs more of your light, your warmth, your steady kindness, your ability to make people feel seen.